Import statements, bringing code into scope. In Kotlin, import statements are essential for organizing and accessing code from different packages. They allow us to use classes, functions, and properties that are defined outside our current file. Let's explore how to effectively use import statements in your Kotlin projects. Import statements allow you to bring code from other packages into your current file, making external functions, classes, and properties available for use. Without imports, you would need to write the full package path every time you reference something from another package, which would make your code verbose and difficult to read. Import statements solve this problem by bringing these elements into scope. The basic syntax for importing in Kotlin is the keyword import, followed by the package name, then a dot, and finally the class name or element you want to import. This format tells Kotlin exactly which element from which package you want to use in your code. Import statements are typically placed at the top of your Kotlin file, before any class or function declarations. Here's a practical example. We import the square root function from the kotlin.math package. Once imported, we can directly use the square root function in our code without referencing the full package path. In the calculate function, we call square root of 16.0, which returns 4.0. This demonstrates how imports make your code cleaner and more readable. Wildcard imports provide a convenient way to import everything from a package using the asterisk symbol. Instead of importing each function or class individually, you can use the wildcard to bring all public members of a package into scope at once. This is particularly useful when you need to use multiple elements from the same package. Here's how wildcard imports work in practice. We import kotlin.math.asterisk, which brings in all functions and constants from the math package. Now we can use square root, the constant pi, and the absolute value function without any additional imports. This makes our code more concise when working with multiple elements from the same package. Aliased imports allow you to rename imports to avoid naming conflicts or improve code readability. This is especially helpful when two different packages contain classes or functions with the same name. By using the as keyword, you can give an imported element a different name in your file, preventing conflicts and making your intentions clearer. Here's a real-world example of aliased imports. Both java.util and java.sql packages contain a class named date. To use both in the same file, we import java.util.date as utildate and java.sql.date as sqldate. Now we can create instances of both date classes without any naming conflicts. This technique is essential for writing clean, maintainable Kotlin code.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.